Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I am Jade Mongardo from Lucas South, Tabanong, Tabuelan, Cebu. I'm 33 years old. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl, and the ages is 14, 9, and 5. I am a high school graduate, and
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have 8 brothers and 3 sisters, and I'm the 6th in the family.
How would you describe yourself?
I am caring, loving, honest, and
Okay. Why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply for work abroad to support my family, and I want to save money for the future.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have worked from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and 2 years Finnish contract, and I have served 1 couple with two children with 1 girl and boy.
Okay. How about here in Philippines? Do you have any work experience here in Philippines?
Yes, I have worked 5 years housemaid